With the heat coming off the Sydney apartment market, more investor dollars are heading north of the border to southeast Queensland. This unusual off-the-plan development by Quantum promises bigger apartments and bigger returns.
Located in the inner south side of Brisbane, on a peninsula rimmed by the Brisbane River, Kangaroo Point is only minutes to the CBD across the Story Bridge. Less than 20 minutes to the airport, only 5 to famous expo site South Bank, and less than an hour comfortable freeway driving to your pick of 57 kilometres of pristine Gold Coast beaches. Linton Apartments are uniquely positioned on the border of Kangaroo Point and Woolloongabba, two of the Queensland capital's most well-known suburbs, brimming with character, history and loads of potential. From dramatic views across the river, over the Botanic Gardens, downtown skyline and spectacular riverside entertainment precinct to the restaurants, cafes, antique stores, lifestyle and international sporting facilities of the Gabba.
The main difference with us is we have site acquisition managers that are on the ground in Brisbane, Sydney and Melbourne. We choose suburbs where there's no crane. We like that because there's no competition. At our point here, there's only one craner. So we're ahead of the game. We like to develop our stock where there's not going to be a huge oversupply of stock coming in that neighbourhood. And so that's key to us. So we like to get in early.
Linton Apartments are a functional and contemporary design solution for inner city living, with a wave pattern inlaid into a large decorative screen, separating residential and commercial components. With a palpable link between architecture and interior design, all 144 1, 2 and 3 bedroom apartments display a sense of light and vibrancy. Kitchens featuring sleek benchtops, stainless steel appliances, sparkling bathrooms and spacious bedrooms, including an ensuite to the master, epitomise contemporary low-maintenance living, offset by textural finishes and a neutral palette of materials, with flooring, furnishings and space, delivering a spectacular backdrop to these residences, designed to accentuate open-planned living.
So I think Quantum's different. We are different. We're a funds management group to start with. We're not just developers. With a funds management group, we take on responsibility for our clients. And so they're investors that have been with us through a number of years, a number of projects. So we want to make sure we actually produce a really superior product.
With modern angles enhancing sunlight in winter and taming the heat in warmer months, each apartment features intelligently positioned balconies, promoting a strong connection between interior and exterior, savouring the inner city vibe. And what better way to do that than on the exclusive residence rooftop garden, with views across the Gabba's playing field to all points of Australia's third largest and fastest growing metropolis.
So in particular with Linton at the moment, we're offering stock at the moment at just over 5,000 a square metre, 5,500 a square metre, and that's because they're big apartments. So that's a key driver for us and a key value proposition for our investors.
For more information, contact Craig Northey at Quantum Group. Price guide for these 1, 2 and 3 bedroom inner city apartments start from $420,000.